We are headed to close on my first flip here in Pensacola. Felt like a good occasion to break out the Ferrari, kind of celebrate it a little bit, right? No, the seller is not going to be at the title company. Otherwise, I would absolutely be driving my truck. I think if I could have painted the picture for like 16-year-old me that this is what I'd be doing, he probably would have died in disbelief. So we're gonna go to closing, get the keys, and then we're gonna head on over to the flip and show you guys what all we're gonna do with it. Gotta like take my lav off. I feel like I'm on what was that show? The Wire, right? Like, when they catch him saying something bad. Let's go buy a house. I'll leave this here for you. Thank you. All right, I'll be back.
All right, well, let's get this party going. This right here is settlement statement. We can go from top to bottom from your side.
It's the same thing you emailed me, right?
Yeah, same amount here.
Yep.
This here is a general acknowledgement and closing agreement. This one here is just a hold harmless to anything that a termite or a survey would show. Just because we didn't run one through, we didn't see one, so you got to hold us harmless to anyone that you would in the future order. Yeah. And then just signature here for the last one.
This is very well documented now.
you that I was here?
Yes, yeah. You're not anywhere else but here. That's it.
Perfect.
That's all of it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. Let's flip a house.
Yeah.
So I'm a little mortified. Just finished closing. Was looking for my keys to my Ferrari and realized I left them in my Ferrari in the parking lot. So she's still here. That's what matters. We are going to go back to my house and swap out to the truck. I don't have any shame about driving a Ferrari, but a lot of people have weird feelings about fancy cars, and I tell people all the time, like, don't roll up to your appointments in a brand new Mercedes. On the flip side, the day you buy your property and the seller is still moving out, I wouldn't roll up in your Ferrari. Personally, other people might want to like, yeah, but that's not me.
He's still moving out right now?
You still got some stuff left, yeah.
Damn, guess it's ours now.
Your dad's ashes, they're mine. But I left my keys in the truck.
Again?
Again. Anybody who watches this is just gonna follow me around to get free vehicles from here on out. All right, let's start in the front.
Sam 3830, is anybody interested?
Did you say 30-30?
3830s?
No, I'm thinner than that, fortunately.
That's old
You're
Ryan.
thinner than a 30-30?
38?
Oh, a 38.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, bro, I ain't thinner than a 30-30. You're like, what was the disbelief there? You're not that thin.
That was middle school.
Me and my security fat jacket are gonna just hang out over here. All right, so anytime you buy a house, don't expect them to take everything. We're gonna show you what all they left, and then I'm gonna let Justin walk you through his plan for this property because he came up with a way better idea than what I had.
Up there.
Oh yeah, this will be going to Noah in Indianapolis.
It's missing a wing.
That's fine. So is he. We are walking through the cleaned out, empty storage facility, which is about as cleaned out as I thought it would end up being.
Yep.
I really do think though that this is what's gonna sell this house for somebody. Like, if somebody's comparing us to something else, the fact that this has this, I know for me would be like, yeah, okay, I want this one.
Yeah, this would be nice when they clear it out and you can actually see it in its full shop glory.
There's still one orange left.
This one's not stealing. Oh. Nice.
Oh.
No straw.
Didn't this guy like go to jail for fraud or something?
No, he's
think
like
it's
a
that guy.
hero. He's an American hero.
No, he got in trouble for something.
No, he did not.
Yeah, he did. I'm gonna Google this right now. The Mr. Pillow guy got in trouble for something. I almost put my orange in that dude's bed.
All right,
Justin, why don't you walk us through what you're gonna do with this place?
So, the layout. I will give credit where credit is due. My awesome wife came out with the layout plan for this house. He added this wall that's currently here, but pretty much you're gonna walk in the front door and we're gonna go with the open concept look. So this wall's gonna come down. It's right next to the front door. This wall and behind, which is the kitchen and the utility room, we're gonna open that up. So it'll be the dining room in that corner, and we'll add a back window in the back right corner. And then the kitchen will be over here to the left. And so it'll be countertops on that wall with the stove and the microwave on that left wall. We'll leave the door back into the addition, and then the kitchen will have countertops, and then essentially where this wall is will be an island. I think we'll finish the bookshelf. He did a decent job on the bookshelf, so we'll leave that. So when you're standing in the front door, it'll just open up and be nice. It'll be recessed lighting in the kitchen, have the addition out back that hopefully get a little bit of that wow factor when you walk in the front door. The biggest things, and when I told the former owner about the house, he was pretty excited about, was that we are moving the water heater and the electrical panel that is in essentially this old utility room, and we're moving it over to the addition that he did. So we'll either have to jack through the foundation underneath the tile here to move some of the plumbing, or we'll send it up, because I know it's inside this wall here. The water comes up inside this wall. We'll leave the tile in here.
Are we leaving the tile in here?
That's what we'd originally talked about. It's insulated and it's got return air and everything in here, and obviously full power and everything.
I think we might do a new fan.
A new fan. The ducts that were in here, I think, kind of destroyed that one.
I think it's important you clarify. Not ducts like these, but like...
Not air ducting,
like,
but quack quack. We're not going to spend a whole bunch in the guest bathroom. It'll be a new vanity, new toilet, new fan, but we'll pretty much just clean it up, probably reglaze that tub there, open it up, see what the plumbing looks back there, add a mixer, just do a walk-in shower in here instead of having the tub. So it'll be a tub for the guest bathroom and a walk-in shower here with just glass sliding doors, make it a little bit nicer. This neighborhood we don't think can really handle like granite countertops and all of the super high-end fixtures. So we're gonna do things to make it the nicest house in the neighborhood. The other two bedrooms, pretty much just paint, refinish this one, clean them up, seal them up with some Kills to make all the smells go away. The mothball smell, and I think heavy smoking went on in this room. So,
You got anything to say, Ryan?
Nah.
Playing with your orange?
Playing with my orange, and I'm gonna see if I can get this knife to stick into this wall.
All right, let me stand right here. All right, this is a competition. Do we have a bet?
Ooh. All right, winner gets the orange.
okay.
That's fair. It's fresh off the tree. I was gonna eat it. I didn't even offer it to you. I was selfish. So yeah, we're throwing what looks like it definitely could be a murder weapon. Dang it.
This seems dangerous. Oh shit.
Counter.
This?
Yep, like that.
I think it's better if I throw it like that, right?
However you want.
Sorry, I'm gonna kill Justin. Hold on. I kind of want to throw my knife.
Oh wait, yeah, I've got a knife. And Justin's the only one to get it to stick.
He earned it.
So, I mean, all in all, I think some of the stuff we're gonna do, wouldn't necessarily have to do to sell for what we're trying to sell for. There's like pretty solid comps in the high 190s, low 2s. Ours has got the workshop, which I think is kind of a big selling feature, but I think making it kind of that open floor plan, I think it's kind of a good intro to the market for you and I of bringing something to the marketplace that's nice, right? Not kind of the current maze we've got. And B, I think it'll make it sell fast. We're not really like over rehabbing stuff. We're not doing super high-end materials or anything, but we're doing stuff that I think will be the difference between it taking a month or two to sell or it kind of ideally, fingers crossed,
Find some wood.
selling in like the first weekend. So
Yeah. I know one on the other street. I've been inside of it before and not as nice, but it sold in 2 days.
cool.
For 165, and it's a lot smaller.
Is this your first flip?
Super excited. This will be my first flip, so super glad to be doing it. Thanks for doing it with me.
Absolutely.
And
Thank you to Mrs. Siddall for assisting with design work because I can barely dress myself, let alone pick out finishes for a house.
We
So-
will get a much higher dollar value. I am 100% positive.
We should paint the
utilizing her
walls
expertise.
black.
Say goodbye.
Didn't we already say goodbye?
No, we didn't say
You want
goodbye.
another goodbye?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.